Hello students, let's continue our chapter Reproduction in Plants. I am your science teacher. In our previous lectures we have learnt about the seed, the parts of the seed, how do seeds disperse and how do seeds reproduce by vegetative propagation, by seeds and by the method of spores. Let's continue. The topics which we are going to study in this video are about agriculture, crop, stages of growing a crop. We will be learning about what are the types of crops and how does a crop grows in a field. Let's start the video. Agriculture and crop. We should first understand what do we mean by agriculture and what is a crop. The production of plants on a large scale in a planned manner for food and other purposes is called agriculture. That is, when the plants are produced on a very large scale, that is in fields, in a well planned manner to obtain the food or for the other purposes is called agriculture. Plants of the same kind grown on a large scale at a particular place during a particular time is called a crop. So what is a crop? When the same kind of plants are grown in a large scale or on a large field at a particular time and at same place is called as a crop. Now the crops are of two types: kharif crops that are called as summer crops, example rice, maize and bajra, and rabi crops which are called as the winter crops, example is wheat and barley. Now, do all the crops grow in all the seasons? No. Let's study more about this. Suitable season. A suitable season is required for a good crop to grow. The right amount of rainfall, irrigation, that means water, and right temperature is required for a healthy crop to grow. So all these 3 points are very much important for a healthy crop to grow. That is, the right amount of rainfall, irrigation, that is watering of crops, and the right temperature. Stages of growing a crop. How does a crop grows? First step is plowing. We will be understanding all these terms separately. First of all, let's discuss what are the steps. Plowing, sowing, addition of manure and fertilizers, irrigation, that means watering, crop protection, harvesting and storage. So these are the steps of growing a crop. All these steps need to be followed, then only you can obtain a healthy crop which will add economy to the nation. So let's understand these terms separately. Plowing. You can see in the picture that it can be done by two methods, either manually or with the help of machines also. What does this process help? It helps in loosening and turning up of the soil, and by doing so it brings fresh nutrients to the upper layer, and it also uproots the unwanted weeds which grow in the fields. They are also removed by the method of plowing. It also aerates the soil, that the fresh air moves inside the soil and allows it to hold the moisture, that is the water retention part. It also allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soils. Yes, by doing this, the roots also move deep into the soil so that our plant is holded firmly. So this is the first and the most important step for growing a crop. Sowing. The next step is the process of planting healthy seeds. Yes. Now, the selection of seeds is also very important. So, you should plant a healthy seed into the soil. After sowing the seeds, what is the next step? The addition of manure and fertilizers. Manure is made from the remains of dead and decaying plants and animal waste. Yes, it is an organic waste basically. Chemical fertilizers are also used like urea, nitrates and phosphates, but you should avoid them because excessive use of these fertilizers will make the soil acidic or alkaline. So what you should use? Only the organic compost. You can see in the picture that after sowing the seed, what are we adding? We are adding manure and fertilizers. The next step is irrigation. Irrigation means watering the crops at right time with adequate amount of water. That means in a sufficient quantity, neither too less nor too more. You can see in the picture that the irrigation method is done quite nicely, but they are watering the crops in the very large area, that is the field. After irrigation, the crops need to be protected against the pest or by the various diseases. So special insecticides and pesticides are sprayed on the crops, and for the fields to be secured, we also have the fencing around the farms, and a scarecrow is also planted in the farms. You can see in the picture. It is so that the birds does not come and eat the small seedling. It is to frighten the birds. Harvesting. The cutting down of ripened crops is called as harvesting. When the crops are fully matured and grown, the farmer cuts the crops, and this process is called as harvesting. You can see in the picture that the farmers are cutting down the crops. Now, after cutting them, they need to be stored and protected also against the moisture, rats, moles, birds and insects. They must be stored in airtight sealed containers. Remember, a good crop adds an economy to the nation. Thank you and have a nice day.